Here we have a math problem on solving equations. Okay, let's go with the question. Find the values of A, B, and C where A, B, C are greater than 0. So we have a system of three equations. So we have to solve the system for the values of the unknowns A, B, and C. And all the three unknowns A, B, C are positive integers because the question says A, B, C are greater than 0. Okay, so to solve the given system for A, B, C, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add all the three equations. When I add all the three equations, I have to add the stuff on the left side and I have to add the stuff on the right side. Okay, first let me add the stuff on the left side. So A times A positive, B positive, C positive, B times A positive, B positive, C positive, C times A positive, B positive, C. I've added all the stuff on the left side. Now I'm going to add so the numbers on the right side. So when I add the three numbers 85, 96, 108 on the right side, I'll be getting 289. Okay, here if I look at the expression on the left side, I have three terms. So this is one term, this is one term, this is one term. All the three terms have the common divisor A positive, B positive, C. Since all the three terms on the left side have the common divisor A positive, B positive, C, I can factor A positive, B positive, C out. Okay, if I factor A positive, B positive, C out, what I have left in the first term? So this is factored, I have A left in the first term. And what I have left in the second term? So this is factored out and we have B left. And in the third term, this is factored out, we have C left, equals to 289. Okay, here we multiply to same quantity, A positive, B positive, C, A positive, B positive, C. So the product of these two quantities is A positive, B positive, C, the whole square equals to 289. Okay, so to get rid of this square, what I need to do is I have to take square root on both sides. So this square root and square root cancel out. When I take square root for a number, the sign in front of square root will be positive or negative. So on the left side, I have A positive, B positive, C. On the right side, I have positive or negative. So the square root of 289 is 17. Okay, here A is a positive value, B is a positive value, C is a positive value according to the information I have in the question. When I add three positive values, so the result has to be a positive value, cannot be negative value. So here positive or negative 7 means we have positive 7 and negative 7. There are two numbers over here, positive 17, negative 17, sorry. So here we have to consider only the positive 17 because the addition of three positive numbers must be a positive number. So we can conclude that A positive, B positive, C equals to positive 17. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is to get the value of A, I have to plug in this 17 for A positive, B positive, C into the first equation. Okay, let me plug in A positive, B positive, C equal to 17 into the first equation. So A times 17 equals to 85. Okay, let's solve this equation further. So for that, I have to divide both sides by 17. When I divide both sides by 17, the 17 will cancel out. 17 goes into 17 one times. 17 goes into 85 5 times. So I get A equals to 5. I got the first value. I got the value of the first term on A, that is 5. Okay, now to get the value of B, I have to plug in 17 for A positive, B positive, C into the second equation. Okay, so let me take the second equation. So the second equation is B times. So for this A positive, B positive, C, I have to plug in 17. So equals to 96. So to get the value of B, I have to divide both sides by 17. So this 17 and 17 will cancel out. I get B equals to 96 over 17. This 96 over 17 cannot be simplified anymore. Otherwise, we have to get it as a decimal. But we can leave it as it is. That is, we can keep this fraction as it is. Okay. Now, to solve for C, what I need to do is I have to plug in 17 for A positive, B positive, C into the third equation. Okay, now let me take the third equation over here. So C times the value of A positive, B positive, C is 17 equals to 108. So to solve for C, I have to divide both sides by 17. So 17 will cancel out. So C is equal to 108 over 17. So this fraction cannot be simplified anymore. So now I got the value of the third constant C. Okay, already I got the value of the second constant, that is B equals to 96 over 17. So the value of A is 5, the value of B equals to 96 over 17, the value of C equals to 108 over 17.